Okay, am I audible or not? Online students. Yes. Very good. Good morning. Very good morning. All very good morning. Yes. Okay, last class we are discussing nested loops, I think. Okay. I think last class program printing table side by side. Okay, right. Now the program printing 1 to n palindrome numbers. I want to print. I said na lifetime validity homework. I said tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I'm never going to involve. Yes or no? Very clearly I said yesterday. You have to finish. Okay? Right. And now the program is I want to print all the palindrome numbers. Actually, last class program is what? Finding given number is palindrome or not. But this time 1 to n palindrome numbers. Okay. And then for example 1 to 20. What are the palindrome numbers? 1 to 20. What are the palindrome numbers? 1 to 9. Next 11. Am I right? Because of one reverse is what? 1. 2 reverse also means all the single digit numbers are palindrome numbers. But 10 reverse is what? 1. Okay. That means 10 is not a palindrome. But 11 reverse is now palindrome number. Okay. It is our program. We have to print all the palindrome numbers from 1 to 10 numbers. Now how to make this example? Now see this, guys. First I want to explain the logic. How to do this example, say this. For example, n value 20. That means I want to find out 1 to 20 palindrome numbers are what. Later, as usual, I'm taking I variable. I value starting 1. Now the important thing, I'm taking one more variable called j. And j value same to same again. Means I and j both are same. That means I and j both are 1 or not. Later, here reminder and here reverse number. Tell me, guys, 1% is 10. 1. Okay, 1. Reverse number already 0. 0 into 10 plus this reminder value. Reminder is right now 1. Now tell me 0 into 10 plus 1. 1. Later 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means this one gone now. Answer 0. When 0, we are checking I value, reverse value both are same or not. See that I value 1 and reverse value also. That means 1 reverse is 1. No? Then 1 is a palindrome number. Okay. It is going to print. That means now I'm putting the condition series. I value starting 1. I less than or equal to 20. I plus plus. How many times this loop repeated? 20 times. Okay. Now later see this. For reverse starting number 0, comma, j equal to I. J equal to I means I and j both are same now. That's why I said j value, I value 1. Okay. Okay, online students, there is any problem with my voice? My voice is clear? Online students, my voice is clear or not? Yes. Okay. Then Syed Irfan, it is your network problem. Check it out. Okay, Syed Irfan, it is your network problem, not mine. Okay, next watch it. J equal to I. Now J value also 1, no? Next, J not equal to 0. J equal to J by 10. Later watch it, guys. It is the main condition. R equal to J percentage 10. reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus r. Now small condition required. If I value, reverse value both are same, print I value. That's all guys. Your program completed. And now check it out guys. I value starting. Come on. 1. J value also 1. Reverse value 0. Now 1% is 10. 1. Okay. 1% is 10. 1. Let us reverse into 10 plus r. 0 into 10 plus 1. 1. Later j equal to j by 10. Means 1 is gone 0. 0 not equal to 0. Condition. When condition false, coming to outside. Outside there is a small condition. I and reverse equal or not equal. I value 1. Reverse value also 1. Both are equal. No? When both are equal, print the 1. That means 1 is the palindrome number. Later I plus plus. Because our program goes to top. Now I plus plus means I value becomes 2. Okay. And reverse again 0. And j equal to I. J also 2. Now 2% is 10. 2. Next 0 into 10 plus 2. Answer 2. Next, when loop completed, program goes to here. J by 10. 2 by 10. 0. 0 not equal to 0. False. Coming to outside. I and reverse same or not or same. Again both are. Then 2 also. Palindrome. Like that, all the single digits are palindrome, no doubt. Now listen carefully. This time I value suppose 10. And j value also 10. Reverse number starting 0. 10% is 10. 0. Now 0 into 10 plus 0. 0. Now j by 10. J by 10, 10 by 10 means 1. 1% is 10. 1. Now 0 into 10 plus 1. Answer 1. Next. Now 1 by 10. 1 also gone. Answer 0. And now 10 and 1 equal or not equal? That means 10 is not a. Means 10 not printed. Because of 10 is not a palindrome number. Later. Okay. Now program goes to 11. Now listen carefully. J value also 11. And reverse number again 0. 11% is 10. 1. 0 into 10 plus 1. 1. Next 11 by 10. 1. 1% is 10. Again 1. Already reverse number 1. 1 into 10 plus 1. 11. Now 1 by 10 answer 0. Now checking 11 and 11 equal or not. Equal no? Then 11 is a. That means it is printing only what? Palindrome numbers. It is printing only the palindrome numbers. Like that, it is printing 1 to n palindrome numbers. Got it? Everyone understood? It is how to find out it is palindrome number or not. Okay? See that? I'm going to start the program. st.h, conio.h, main function as usual. IND n comma I comma j comma r comma reverse. Now read the number first of all. Enter n value. scanf percentage d ampersand n, meaning very clear. It is reading the n value and n value going to store. Okay, suppose n value 20. Now loop always starts with 1. I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Now j value. First reverse I am going to take 0, comma, j value equal to I, j not equal to 0, j equal to j by 10. Now reminder, j percentage 10 and reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus r. If I value, reverse value both are same, printf percentage 4d, comma, I value. Program finish. Enter n value, for example 200. I want to find out 1 to 200 palindrome numbers. See that 1 to 9 all the numbers printed now, and after 9 see that 11, 22 up to 99. After 99 see that, okay, 101 printed or not? 101 also palindrome, no? Later 111, 122, 121, 131 up to 190. Got it? That's all. It is how to make the palindrome numbers. And this one is the explanation part. Okay, right. Now next example. Printing 1 to n prime numbers this time. I want to print 1 to n prime numbers. What are the prime numbers available from 1 to n numbers? Okay. And then how to make this example? Watch it, guys. First, I'm going to write the program. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to, for example, 20, I plus plus. Now I want to print 1 to 20 prime numbers only. Okay, 1 to 20 prime numbers. First of all, prime number means what? When the number having two factors, it is called prime number. No? Now, here C value starting 0. Why? Because counting required. No? Two factors are there or not, we have to count now. That's why C value 0. And J value starting 1, J less than or equal to I, J plus plus. Now small condition, very small. If I percentage J 0, count plus plus. If count value 2, print I value. That's all. Your program completed. Okay. Now watch it. How this one is printing 1 to n prime numbers. Take a look on this. First, guys, n value 20. Now I want to find out 1 to 20 prime numbers. I value starting is what? 1. And j value also 1. Now count value starting 0. Now meaning very clear. First, divide the I value with the j value. 1% is 1. 0, no? That means 1 is the factor of 1, no? When factor true, C plus plus, C value becomes 1. Later J plus plus, J value becomes 2. But 2 less than or equal to 1. Condition false. When condition false, coming to outside. Now checking count value 2 or not. But count value 1 only, no? That means 1 is not a prime number. 1 not printed on the screen. Later, program goes to I plus plus. Tell me, guys, I value 2. And count value again 0. And J value 1. Now division I percentage J. 2% is 1. remainder 0. When remainder 0, count value incremented. Count value becomes later j plus plus 2. 2% is 2 also. 0 again. Now count value once again incremented. Count value becomes 2. Now j plus plus. J value becomes 3. But 3 less than or equal to 2. False. Now count value checked. Count value already 2 now. When count value 2, it is a prime number. Because of prime number containing how many factors? Now this number is having 2 factors now. That's why 2 is a prime number. Right. Now program goes to 3. I plus plus. I value becomes 3. And again j value 1. And count value 0. 3% is 1. Remainder 0. Count one time incremented. Next 3% is 2. 1. No count incremented. Now j value 3. 3% is 3. Again count value incremented. Now count value 2. When count value 2, it is a prime number. That means 3 also. Prime number na? Yes. And finally, I value 4 for example. And j value again 1. Count value 0. 4% is 1. 0. Count value one time incremented. 4% is 2. Again 0. Count value one more time incremented. And 4% is 4 also. 0. That means again one more time count value incremented. That means 4 having how many factors? That's why that means 4 is not a. Very clear now? How it is working, understood? Like this loop repeated how many times? 20 times or not? And now it is printing only the prime numbers from 1 to 20 numbers. I think very clear. It is how to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 10 number. Just check it out, guys. I value, j value, remainder not required, count value required. And count value every time 0. J less than or equal to I. J plus plus. Next, small condition. If I% j equal to 0, count increment. If count value 2, then print I value. Now watch it, guys. Enter value 20. See that? Now 20. See that, guys? 1 to 20 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. And now let's see 15, 13, 17, 20. These are the prime numbers. Okay. That's all. Like this, it is printing only the prime numbers, guys. What is J now? Looping variable. Okay, Pavan solve. We need the looping variable, man. For that, what is I? I is a variable. Like that, J also variable. Looping variable. Okay, now it is how to find the 1 to n prime numbers only. Okay, guys. Now the HR asked one question. Print n to n prime numbers and count both. And count. This time, previous example is what? 1 to n. Means starting number 1, ending number given number. But this time, starting number entered by the user, ending number also user. Means suppose the HR asked 100 to 200 prime numbers. Okay, 100 to 200 number. How many prime numbers are there? What are the prime number? Means you have to do two things. Count required and prime numbers also required. Okay, Then how to make this example? Okay, and just watch it. Okay. Yes, of course, Asha, you can write like this also. Okay, but the problem is, okay, actually when 3 is coming, what happened? 2 is coming. Check it out, your program. Okay, when 1 is there, what is happened, man? Just check it out that. Okay, different logics are there, man. If count value greater than 2 also, you can stop this program. Understood? So many logics are there for this. And now watch it, guys. How to find the n to n prime numbers list. Okay. This time starting number, ending number both entered by user. And then see that how much easy it is. Same program, small change. Declare one more variable called count. CND means count. And count is starting number 0. I enter starting ending values. Now enter the starting and ending values. Now scanf. Everyone observe it. Very simple change. Percentage D, percentage D. Everyone observe it. Only one thing, ampersand I. That's all, guys. Now I is the starting number. In previous example, I is the one. Na? Previous example, I value 1. But this time I value entered by the user only. Okay. Next, one more small change. Program completed. That's all. Here, comma, count plus plus. That's all. Your program finish. Now tell me, when count value 2 means what? When count value 2 means what? It is a prime number, no? Then that prime number printed and count value incremented. Means if it is a prime number, then count value incremented. Suppose 5 prime numbers are there, count also incremented. And finally print the number of prime numbers. Now run this. Suppose 10 to 20. 10 to 20. My requirement 10 to 20. Okay. Oh, I have not saved, I think. 1 minute. Here. It is we have to change. Already I value decided. Na? This time not 1. Na? And now remove that. And now run this. 10 to 20. Actually 10 to 20. What are the prime numbers? 11, 13, 17, 19. Means how many prime numbers? Very clear? Now it is very clear. 10, 11, 13, 17, 19. And count how many are there? Program complete or not? That's all. It is how to count the number of prime numbers and range of values. It is how to give the range also. Now it is the program. And this one is the output of this program. That's all. Everyone clear? Only 2 changes occurred, guys. I value scanned, that's all. Okay. In previous example, I value 1, but this time we are scanning the I value. Okay. Later, count variable incremented. That's all. Remaining everything is same to same procedure. And now it is how to find the 1 to n and n to n prime numbers. And now I'm going to start the patterns concept. I'm going to start what? Pattern examples. Okay. And now watch it. Now I'm going to give the patterns. Everyone observe it, guys. Important concepts. Everyone observe it. Logical development. Why we need the patterns means for logical development of the program. Okay. Now first pattern is this one. I want to print the pattern like this on the screen. Okay. Now first pattern is what? Suppose it is our monitor. Just assume it is our monitor. Okay. On this monitor, I want to print the output like this. Star. Now one more star. One more star. One more star. Like this. Now in first row, how many stars are there? Like this second row. Like this third row. That's all. I want to print the output like this. Okay. Now these are called pattern examples. What they are called? And now can I say these are the rows, guys? And can I say these are the columns? Now tell me how many rows, how many columns are there? 3 rows and 4 columns. We are having 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay. Now we are having 3 rows, 4 columns. Now just same thing I'm going to write. For r equal to 1. Because of it is row number 1 now. Next, like that, how many rows are there? 3 rows are there. R plus plus. The meaning very clear. This loop is repeating 3 times. Okay. And next, starting row number is what? 1. In row number 1, how many stars are there? That means in every row we have to repeat 4 times. Then for C equal to 1, C less than or equal to 4, C plus plus, print star. It's over. Your program completed. That's all. Your program completed. Okay. And to avoid the confusion, I'm giving bracket also. And now how the program completed? Now watch it. For example, here number of rows. NR. NR means number of row. How many number of rows? 3. Number of columns. 4 now. Now observe it carefully. R value starting. First row now. Okay, like that. How many times repeated? That means R equal to 1, 2, 3 now. 1, 2, 3 means how many times? 3 times. Okay. Now there is a clarity up to this. And next, now watch it. C equal to. C also 1, 2, 4 this time. Okay. And now just watch it. C value starting 1. 1 less than or equal to 4. Come on, guys. 1 less than or equal to 4. Condition true. When condition true, print the star. Means star printed. No? Next, C plus plus. 2 less than or equal to 4. Again true, no? Print star. Second star also completed. Now 3. 3 less than or equal to 4. Again star. And finally 4. 4 equal to 4. Star. And 5. 5 less than or equal to 4. Condition false. When condition false, slash n. Slash n means what? Next line. And now program goes to upside. Upside means now R value becomes 2. Next C value again. Now 1, 2. 4 now. 1, 2, 4 means how many times again? 4 times now. And that means can I put same thing again? Yes or no? Next row number incremented. Row value becomes. And C value again. 1, 2, 4. Means one more time printed now. Okay. Finally, R value becomes 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition false now. Loop stopped or not? Very clear. Everyone, is it clear? Because our remaining all pattern examples depended on this. When you are able to understand this, remaining you can. Otherwise, guaranteed. I am giving assurance. You are getting headache. You are getting headache, no doubt at all. Okay. Only one thing. Row loop, how many times repeated? Row loop, how many times repeated? In each row column, how many times repeated? That means 4 stars. In each row, 4 stars. It is a logic. 3 into 4, 12 stars. See that? Logic very clear. 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 into 4, 12. That's why we are having 12 stars or not? Yes, that's all. It is the process. Okay. Repeat once again. Okay. And now watch it. Once again, I'm going to repeat this procedure. Everybody just take a look on this. Okay, guys. Now everyone take a look on this. Number of rows. How many number of rows? 3. Now it is nothing but NR value. NR value 3. And it is nothing but NC. NC means number of. Now tell me, R value is what starting? 1. R value is starting 1. Now 1 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. And condition true, 3 value 1. Now 1 less than or equal to 4. Condition true. Print star. First star completed. Later C plus plus. C value becomes 2. Okay. And now less than or equal to 4 now. 2 less than or equal to 4. Again true. Again print the star. Next C value 3. 3 less than or equal to 4. Again true. Then one more star. And now 4. 4 less than or equal to 4 also. And now 5. 5 less than or equal to. Condition false. When condition false, coming to slash n. Slash n means next line. Next program goes to R plus plus. R value becomes 2. And C value again 1. 1 to 4 or not? 1 to 4 means how many times? 4 times. Again star printed now. Now again 4 stars printed. Okay. And next this time row number 3. And again same to same now. 1 to 4 means again 4 stars printed. I think very clear now. Like that, when 5 R value 4, 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition false. When condition false, coming to means your loop stopped automatically. Very clear? Everybody? Okay. That means C loop repeated 1, 2, 4 times or not? And R loop repeated 1, 2, 3 times. And now it is how to print the pattern like this. NR comma, NC comma, R comma, C. These are the variables required. Enter number of rows and columns. How many rows, how many columns required? I am entering NR value and C value. Now R value starting 0 or 1. R less than or equal to NR, R plus plus. C value also 1. C less than or equal to, okay, NC, C plus plus. Now printf star symbol. Now print slash n. Okay. Now 3 rows, 4 columns. Same answer. Okay. We are getting the same to same answer. It is our first example. It is the output of this program. And this one is the explanation part. Right. This time the HR asked one small thing. Same program, but small thing is happened. This time the HR asked instead of star symbols, instead of the star symbols like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. It is a HR asked question. Okay, this time you have to print 1 to 4 numbers, not the star symbols. Okay, only one thing you have to do. Just here it is printing the what, guys? Star symbols now. Now don't print the star, print the C value. That's all. Your program finish. C value starting is what? Next 2, next 3, next 4. First row 4 times. Again second row 4 times. Third row also. That's all. Okay. That means just remove the star symbol. Just remove the star and put C value. Okay. And actually C value starting 1 and last number 4 na? 1, 2, 4. How many times printed? 3 times or not? That's all. And next one more thing. You can enter the space also in this. Okay. Everybody observe it, guys. Here we are entering the space also. Suppose after star space. Looking fair, that's all. Now see this 10 rows and 20 columns. Okay. When the space is given, we are getting the answer like this. In between the stars, we are getting the space like this. Okay. And now see this, I'm deleting this. Percentage 3D. 3D means what? 3 spaces, no? And now C value printed. See that, guys? For example, 10 rows, 10 columns. Finished now? Say yes or no? Same answer again. Okay. Like this, we can get, okay, column values. It is how to print this one. Maybe this time, guess it, guys. I'm giving in place of C, R value. Maybe answer is what? Suppose I'm using R, not C. Maybe guess it answer. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. That's all. Because of R value starting. 1, 1 4 time printed. Logic simple. Okay. This loop repeated 4 times now. For example, 4 times. Then R value printed 4 times. R starting value. That means 1 printed 4 times. Next R plus plus 2 printed 4 times. Next R plus plus 3. 3 printed 4 times. See that, guys? 5 times 10 calls. Okay, see that? Very clear? 5 rows and 10 columns. Okay, like this. When R is given, you are getting the answer like this. Okay, this time the HR asked, print the alphabet like this. Same program, but you have to print the alphabets. Anybody? Alphabets. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Anyone tell me, guys? How to print? First question clear? I want to print the what, guys? Alphabets now. Yes. Now I want to print in place of numbers, alphabets. Okay, watch it, guys. How much easy it is. Okay, I want to print ABCD. Okay, na? Then how to print ABCD? See that how much easy it is. Only one thing. 64 plus C. That's all. Percentage 3C. That's it. Tell me, guys. C value starting 1. 1 plus 64. 65 capital A na? Next C plus plus. 2. 2 plus 64. 66 is B. 67 C. 68 D. That's all. Your program finish. 10 rows, 26 alphabets. Okay, 20. Finish it up? Come on. Yes. Now reduce the space. 2C. Now watch it, 10 rows, 26 columns. All the alphabets printed? Yes. It is printing all the alphabets on the screen. Okay. It is how to print alphabet. First logic understood? C value 1. Okay. Here C value 1. 64 plus 1. 65. 65 nothing but capital A. Next is 66. 67. 68. Got it now, everyone? Online students. Online students also. Everyone got it now? Right. Okay, same program, small change. 96. Now small letters printed now. Now 96. 96 plus 1, 97. Small a. See that? For example, 10 rows, 26 columns. Okay. Pawan Salve, tell me. But we can put directly 65. Where you are going to put 65? Tell me, Pawan Salve. C equal to 65. Huh? Right. Okay. I'm putting C equal to 65. Then 65 रख दिया. इसके बाद क्या करना बोलो? बस प्रिंट सी वैल्यू यही ना मामला. पवन साहब बोलो. इसके बाद क्या करना बोलो वो भी. रन करना. ओके रन करूंगा. 5 rows 5 columns. लेस देन और इक्वल टू 65. वो क्या है मामला? हाँ सी लेस देन प्लस 65. ओहो सी लेस देन प्लस 65. ओके राइट. एंटर नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. ओके देखो एक बार. ओके हो गया. आ गया. ओके लॉजिक तो होता है लेकिन पूरा लॉजिक लिखना है ना. सी लेस देन और इक्वल टू 65 प्लस ओके एनसी. ये तो लॉजिक होता है. देन ओनली इट इज वर्किंग. पूरा लॉजिक लिखना. हाफ लिख दिया तो नहीं आता ना. Now it is simple or not? Direct answer. Okay, right? Anyway, this time I'm going to put like this, guys. 96 plus C. What happened, guys? This time, small alphabets or not? Now 10 rows, 26 columns. Okay, guys? Now it is printing lowercase alphabets. And it is output of this program. Okay, now this time watch it. I'm giving like this 96 plus R. Meaning what? A, B, 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 C, C, C. See that, guys? Here, for example, 10 times I need 26 rows. See that? Pura alphabet set aa gaya. Okay, 10 rows only I said. A, B, 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 C, C. 10 times printed or not? Tell me. Yes. Okay. This time 26 rows 10 times. Now pour alphabet set aa gaya. See that small a2. Okay now, like this it is going to print the output. Now 5 rows 10 columns. That's all. Okay, right. Next guys, now you have to do this one. Okay, you have to complete this example. Are you ready? Then you have to print the output like this. Okay, everybody observe it. You have to do the output like this. A, B, C, D printed, for example, or 1, 2, 3, 4, what it may be. Okay. And now, for example, you have to print the answer like this: small a, capital A, small b, capital C, small d, like that. ऐसे continue करना बस. Just tell me. Easy program. Actually, it is a simple example. Try it. Capital A, small b, capital C, small d. Okay. One capital, one small letter. That's all. It is my program. लॉजिक बताओ बस. लॉजिक बताओ बस. डोंट राइट. लॉजिक बताओ बस. एनीवन? हाँ, इफ ओके. वो कंडीशन क्या है? Okay, right. Very good. Okay, right. You have tried your level best. Okay, no problem. Watch it, guys. Very simple technique. It is a technique, guys. If column percentage to 0, print okay 96 plus C. Else print 64 plus C. That's all. It is the logic behind this. Okay. Now watch it. I think it is first column, am I right? And it is the second column. It is the third column. It is the fourth column. एक बार जतन से देखो. Actually 2 and 4 even columns, and it is having small characters. Now the meaning same. If the column is even number, print lowercase character. Otherwise print uppercase character. That's all. The meaning is very, very clear. If column is even number, if column number is even number, print small letter. If column is odd number, print capital letter. Okay? At least understood or not? Now watch it. Correct or not? If C percentage to 0, print 96 plus C. Else print percentage to C, comma 64 plus C. Now run the program. 10 rows, 26 columns. Okay. One capital letter, one small letter, one capital letter, one small letter. Okay. Like this. It is working. Okay. Same example. Suppose I am putting like this. R value. I am putting R value. Now guess it may be answer. First row capital letter, second row small letter, third row capital letter, fourth row small letter. Means even row small letters, odd rows capital letter. See that, guys? For example, 10, 20. Yes or no? First line capital letters, second line small, Third line capital, fourth line small. That's all. Like this, we can change the rows also. Okay. At least this one, try it, guys. Everyone, this time try it. It is enough. You take your own time, but give me the right answer. This time you have to print answer like this. A. Okay. Letter small a. Letter capital B. Letter small b. That's all. Take your own time, but solve it. I want to print the output like this. Yes, you have to print the output like this. Anybody? Mahesh Chaudhary. Put R instead of Sina. Okay. Already R is there now. I have used the R. Okay, Mr. Mahesh Chaudhary. Already it is R program. Previous example. Come on. I need this kind of output on the screen. Think about it. First line capital letters, second line small letter, again capital letter, again small letter. इतना आसान नहीं है, इतना आसान नहीं है ये. Okay, I'm giving the clue. Just not like the previous examples. It is quite different example. Looking to be same. It is looking to be same, but logic quite different. Yes, think about it. I said, no, that's why I said, take your own time, no problem. That's why I said also, take your own time. Okay, can I go for it? Okay, you can't make this. Watch it. I'm going for this program. Okay, no. Now watch it. I'm going for the program. Everybody, watch it, guys. How to make this example. First, tell me in even number rows, what type of elements are there? Small letters. Yes or no? In even rows, small elements. In odd rows, okay? And now watch it. It is the most important thing in this example. What is that means? You have to take two variables. U means uppercase and L lowercase. Like this, you have to take two variables. First U is the A, L is the A. Now see that program started. R equal to 1, R less than or equal to 3, or 4, what it may be, R plus plus. How many times this loop repeated? 4 times. Suppose NR value 4. Okay. Same to same. C value 1. C less than or equal to NC, C plus plus. Column also 4 for example. Okay. And now here 4 rows, 4 columns. Total how many elements? 16 elements. Now it is the condition. If R percentage to 0, print L value. Else print U value. That's all. L value. 1 minute, everybody see this. Starting R value is what? 1. Starting R value 1. 1 means odd number or even number? Odd number. When it is odd number, print U, no? Sorry. Okay. Here even number, small number, odd number, capital number. And now tell me U value, capital A. And now tell me capital A how many times printed? 4 times. Because of starting row number is 1. Starting row number 1 and the loop how many times repeated? 4 times. That's why in 1, when row number 1, print A, 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 A. Now listen carefully. After 4 times, program coming to outside now. That means first line completed. When first line completed, it is the most important thing. If R percentage to 0, L plus plus, else U plus plus. That's all. Your program khatam. Tell me R value right now. 1. 1 percentage to 1. 1 equal to 0. False. When condition false, else part working no? U plus plus. U becomes capital B. Next R plus plus. Next time row number 2. 2 is even number no? When even number print L value. Right now L value. Small a. Small a how many times printed? 4 times now. Okay. Later 4 times completed. When 4 times completed, coming to outside now. Now condition. If R value even number, L plus plus. R value 2 no? 2 is a even number no? L plus plus. L value becomes small b. Next R plus plus. R value 3. 3 even number, odd number. 3 even number, odd number. Odd number means U printed no? U means capital B. Capital B how many times? Next row number 4. 4 means even number, odd number. Even number means condition true. L printed no? L means small b no? That's all. Your program completed. It is the logic behind this program. R comma C comma L equal to capital A. U equal to, sorry. U equal to capital A. Now here print percentage C L and here print U. Now small condition. If R percentage to 0 L plus plus. Now in this program, for example, 10 rows, 26 columns. Finish it up. Okay, that's all. It is how to print the pattern like this. Okay, this time you have to print the answer like this. Okay, the HR asked print the answer like this, guys. Now this time the program is what? The HR question is saying like this, moreover nothing. You have to print a output like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. Okay, Tirupati Reddy, Mr. K. Tirupati Reddy. When row number even number, print L value. L value means small a. Means in even number rows, small letter printed. When even number row completed, letter L plus plus. L value goes to small v. That means for next even number row, small v printed. Next even number row, okay, small c printed. That means if it is even number row, L value incremented. If odd number row, U value incremented. Okay, Tirupati Reddy, it is what is happening. In first row, capital A printed, see that. After that, U plus plus. U plus plus means B. Next odd number is B. Next odd number 3. That's why in 3, which one is printed? Capital B printed. Okay. And the next even number is what? 4. That means small l printed. Small l means small b. That's all. It is what is happening in previous example. Okay. Now tell me guys how to print this kind of output. Okay. C equal to R. Okay now? Percentage D. Okay. Yes. Any solution from your side? I want to print the output like this. Any solution? Already C++ is there, Mr. Abhishek. Okay, can I go for it? Now it is a logic. Simple technique is there. A equal to R, that's all. And print the A value. It's over. Tell me guys, A value is starting. Come on. 1 printed. 1 plus plus. 2 plus plus. 3 plus plus. 4 time completed. No? Letter R plus plus. Second row. 2. 2 stored in A. No? Now first 2 printed. 2 plus plus 3. 3 plus plus 4. 4 plus plus 5. 4 time completed. Next row number 3. A value again 3. Okay. 3 say 4 times. And row number 4. 4 say 4 times. It's over. It is your program. Okay. You have to declare only one variable called A. Now run this program. 10 rows and 20 columns. Completed? 1 to 20. 2 to 21. 3 to 22. Finished or not? That's all. It is how this example working. It is a simple technique. Okay. Actually, A value we are storing with R. Always R value incremented. No? Means second row, A value incremented or not? Means first row R value 1, second row R value 2, next 3, next 4. Like this, it is going to be finished. Now very simple, no? Right. It is how this example working. And this time the HR, of course, you can do the same example without A also. Without A also you can do that. Then how to do without A? See that? Now this time there is no A. A is declared or not declared? Next. Now I am going to delete this. And here C equal to R. R value starting क्या है? Next time 2. Next time 3, 4. And here NC plus R. Okay. For example, here NC value 4. 4 plus 1 first. Now you have to do one thing. Now tell me NC value 4. 4 plus 1. 5. But less than 5, no? Less than 5 means what? Come on, guys. 4 times. Next R plus plus. Next time 2. Now C less than or equal to C starting value 2 and 4 plus 2 6, but less than 6 means up to 5. Starting number 2, ending number 5. देखो एक बार output. Next row number is what? 3. Next row number 3 means starting number 3. And here NC value 4, R value 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 means less than 7, no? 6. Starting number 3, ending number 6. See that? Correct or not? Both are same. Check it out. Now, for example, 3 rows, 4 columns. Again, same answer. That's all. Okay. Like this, different logics are there. Okay, logics are going to change from user to user or not. Okay, fine. Now the HR asked one more question, guys. This time you have to print the answer like this. Small change, very small change. Everybody just watch it carefully. You have to print the answer like this. Star, 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 like this. Okay. I want to print the list card. First 1 star, later 2 stars, later 3 stars. Okay. See that how much easy it is. Only one small change. C equal to 1. C less than or equal to R. That's all. Your program finish. It's over, guys. Tell me, guys, starting R value 1. C value 1. 1 to 1. 1 time. 1 to 1 means 1 time. 1 star printed. Later R plus plus 2. And again column number starting 1 to 2. 2 stars. Next R plus plus 3. 1 to 3. 3 stars. R plus plus 4. C value again 1 to R means 4 times. 4 stars. Not understood? At least give me answer. Understood? Huh? Very good. R equal to starting what? R less than or equal to 3, R plus plus. For C equal to 1, C less than or equal to R, C plus plus. Now print star symbol. As usual, next line. Now program close. Tell me at least here R value starting 1 and C value also 1. 1, 2. 1 no? Starting number 1. Ending number up to R na. 1 to 1 means how many times? 1 time. That means 1 star printed. Next R plus plus na means what? Now the meaning C value again. 1, 2, 2. How many times? Then how many stars? 2 stars. Next R plus plus 3. Now starting number 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Now 3 stars completed. Now very clear? Everyone, that's all. It is how to print the pattern like this. Okay, just watch it. Enter number of rows, 5 rows. Okay, and now we have to delete this. Okay, number of columns not required. Only enter number of rows. Because of column automatically decided now. Okay, and value only. Right. And now watch it guys, enter number of rows 10. Printed? Same answer or not? Yes. Right. This time the HR is asking like this guys. Same program, small change. Same program, small change. Okay. Now the change is what? He want to print answer like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Which is called Floyd's triangle. This one is called Floyd's triangle. Now I want to print the Floyd's triangle like this. Anyone give me idea? Count. Okay. Watch it. It is completed. That's all. A value starting 1. A value starting क्या है? 1, 1 plus plus, 2 plus plus, 3 plus plus. That's all. Program completed. A value incremented every time. Program finish. A value starting 1 and here A plus plus. Now watch it. Finished? Finished or not? Yes. Okay. It is how to print the output like this. Now it is the program. It is the output of this program. And this one is the explanation. Now what happened? It is nothing but what? This time A plus plus. Here which number printed? 1. Next time. Next time. I think now very clear. In place of stars, A value always incremented. That's it. This one is called Floyd's triangle. Okay. This time quite opposite guys. Anybody tell me? Quite opposite program. I want to print quite opposite output guys. Suppose when n value 3, it is printing 3 rows now. Same to same, opposite order. means 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all. You have to print the output like this. क्या करना बोलो पहले. A minus minus, हाँ, right. A minus minus. हाँ बोल दिया ना ऑलरेडी. A minus minus करना बस. हाँ हाँ ओके. A वैल्यू 5, A वैल्यू 6 करना, 6 करना. ओके ठीक है. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल A वैल्यू 6. नाउ 5 rows. बोलो. A not equal to. Yes, come on guys, anybody. I want to print. Okay, I am giving clarity also, more clarity. For example, number of rows, how many are there? 3 rows now. If n value 3, okay, you have to print output like this. Means how many rows? 3 rows. For example, n value 5. Suppose just assume. Now यहाँ से start करना. 15, 14, 13. That's all. ऐसे आना. अब बोलो कैसे करना. बोलो जी. come on. ऐसे करना है. Okay, watch it. It is the logic. A equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That's all. Your program completed. Okay. N into. Now run the program. 3 rows. Correct answer? Tell me. Okay. Now for 3 rows, it is printing like this. Okay. Next, this time 5 rows. Right answer? Yes, no doubt at all. 15 to 1. Okay. How? Very simple. Suppose n value 3. N value 3. Then A equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 6. Because of 3 4s are what? 12. 12 by 2. 6. Starting number 6. Next, this time n value 5. Now A equal to 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2. Then answer 15. Because of 30 by 2. 5 into 6, 30. 30 by 2 means. That's all. It is how this logic is working. Okay. Now I'm giving some homework. Come try it. But don't follow the internet, all these things. Okay. Now it is the homework. Now the first homework is this one. You have to print the answer like this. Star, 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 star A, star, star B, C, star. Next, D, E, F, star. And finally stars. That's all. It is your first example. Okay, now it is your program, guys. All sides star symbols, बीच में alphabets. Got it? All sides stars, all sides star, but in middle only alphabets you have to print. Next, second example ये होता है. Okay, number 1 here, for example, okay, 2, 2, and here 0, here 1, again 2, and here 0, 0, 1. I say that means not only that one, like that any number of rows, even 10 number of rows also. Otherwise you are going to do like this. Printf 122 slash n 012 slash n 001. हो गया ना? हाँ, this kind of drama मत play करो. Understood ना? Logic use करके program करो. It is the second example. And third example is this one. Now I am giving one more example also. It is your third example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Later 1, 2, 3. Later 1, 2. Later 1. ऐसे print करना. It is your third example. Okay? But try it genuine. Don't follow the internet previous programs like that. Try it genuine. What I am saying, understood? Okay? And fourth example also I am giving. Right? This one also try it. Dollar symbol. Okay, here dollar symbol chahiye. Here star symbol chahiye. Or here dollar again. And here dollar. Here star. Here dollar. ऐसे. Now again star. Dollar. Okay. Now star dollar. ऐसे प्रिंट करना है बस. ओके, आपका आउटपुट ऐसे चाहिए. लाइक दैट n नंबर ऑफ रोज. ओके, जस्ट एक करो बस. These are the homeworks. Okay, then see you on tomorrow. Until that, take care and bye bye. हाँ विजय बोलो, क्या है तेरे प्रॉब्लम?